Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to add a clickable table of contents to an ebook that you've created in your PowerPoint slide. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Hey guys, okay, in this part of the video, we're going to be looking at turning this ebook that I created yesterday, and a link will be in the description above a little bit later on, and turning that into a clickable table of contents. As you can see, what I've done was I basically just, when I first created these pages, I did this yesterday, and I got to this point just here, and what I did was I just highlighted them all and then just copied them over, and I just did them several times and just added chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, right up to chapter 6 on this. So how do we go ahead and turn this into a clickable table of contents? Well, first of all, we need to go into the insert section just here. We click on that. Then over here in Zoom, we click on that and we go to Zoom Summary. And we click on that just there. Now what we need to do is we need to find where I have placed all of the clickable, of all the chapters. So I've got that one just there, one just here, and here. So remembering it's Zoom Summary, and then here, and here, and here. Now all we have to do is hit Insert, and we come up with these 6 images. Now what I plan on doing is clicking on all of these in order, and then I'm going to shrink them down so as that they're smaller. Maybe that size there looks good. Now the reason I'm doing that is so as I can change the images here. Now to change an image, all I need to do is right click on this, go over here where it says change image, click on that, and then I'm going to go to my icons just here. Wait for this to come up, and I'm going to place in the number 1, and I'm going to be choosing this one right here, and I'm going to hit insert. Wait for a second, and there's number 1. Do the same thing, right click on this, change image, go to icon, and then hit number 2, and we'll just repeat the process until we have actually completed all 6. It's very, very simple. I think you've got the picture. I really don't need to show you any more, so I'll just pause the video until I have finished what I'm doing here. Now we're back. One other thing I forgot I need to do is I'm going to click on all of these, and then I'm going to go over here to the zoom section, and I'm going to go zoom background, and what that does is it removes the little square that you would have been able to see had it been larger. So now what we're going to do here is just type in the word table of contents. Let's pop that in the center. Yep, okay. Now what we're going to do is also go over here to the shape section, grab this, we're going to go here, chapter, then we're going to go, oops, so we can expand that up, chapter, actually I might have been, not worry about that, I'll just get rid of that. Right, shrink that down just a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this 5 more times. To do that, all I have to do is go Control D and just keep hitting Control D until I've done it 5 times. That should be it. Now what we're going to do is reposition these. I'll just move these out of the way for the moment so as we can create the table of contents. Now what I plan on doing is grabbing each one of these and moving them down just a little bit, getting them out of the way. And this way we can just have it however we want it. There we are. Now, my suggestion would be making sure that we keep them all in the same line. And did you see those guidelines that we had before? And you can create them so that they are spaced evenly. There we are. And we can have this one here. As I said, we can space them evenly. I don't think they're that even in this particular case, but you can muck around with that and get it a bit closer to being even. That'll do. They don't have to be perfect. Now what I do want to do is go here, chapter 1, and we can place that at roughly center of that. Chapter 2. Now it's also good to have these line up as well. Now if you need to, you can rearrange these to make sure that they fit properly with the circles. And of course chapter 3. And you just keep doing this, and then when you line it up properly, it'll be okay. Now what I plan on doing is now trying to see if I can align them somehow. Okay, so they're not in line with each other, but you get the point. Okay. There. All right. We just drag that down so that they match. And from this point here, you can now put the page numbers. And that's for a very, very simple matter of just going like this and adding one for each of these. And you just go here. And in this particular case, to find your page numbers, all you have to do is go to Insert, go to Zoom Summary. And in fact, it's written right there on the slide page. So on the slide it says page 2. So all you have to do is page 2. And then go to Zoom Summary again. Scroll down till you find the next one, which is slide 10. And you just repeat the process. So what I'm planning on doing is duplicating this, going Control D, taking this down, putting it here, then going Control D and having it go down and do that. And what it does is it places it in the correct spot for you. Now in this particular case we're going to be 10, and we just repeat the process. And we just keep going back through the slide summaries until we find the third one, chapter 3. Should be here, which is slide 18. Cancel. and you just do that. And in just a moment, I'm going to be showing you how to finish this off. So I'm going to pause the video and finish doing this. Okay, we're back. Now all we need to do at this particular point, if you watched yesterday's video, you will already have this icon up here. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I would suggest you jump up on the tag we've got above on the card and click on that and watch that. But I'm going to briefly take you how to go about getting this icon. You just click on this particular one just here, scroll down here to more commands. Over here where it says popular commands, you click on that, and then you go down to all commands, which is the third one down. Wait for this to shrink up, then you take it down to S for save, and once you get to that, you go to save as, click on that, add it to that. I've already got it, so I don't need it. Then you hit OK. So all we need to do is how you would normally do it if you were trying to save it on your Word document. All we need to do now is I'm going to save this as a PDF to start off with, actually as a PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to save this to my PC, to my desktop, and I might as well keep it as table of contents just to keep it unique. And we're going to be going save as table of contents, wait for that to do its thing. Now another one we can do now is click on here, and we're going to turn this into a PDF. To do that, all we have to do is click on that, take it up to here to where it says PDF, click on that, hit save, and there you have it. We just have it. If you see it's actually thinking, it'll take maybe a minute or two, but once it's actually finished, you'll see a PDF pops up on the screen. And it's now finished, and in just a moment you'll see a PDF. And just to prove to you that it's actually clickable, let me just scroll it out a little bit so you can see it all. Let's go there, we click on that, and it takes you straight to chapter 1. Let's go here to chapter 5. There it is. It takes it all the way to chapter 5. And let's go to chapter 6. It takes it all the way down to chapter 6. And that is how you have a clickable table of contents in your Word document, or in your Microsoft Office PowerPoint document that you've just created an ebook for. Now if you want to learn how to actually create this, as I said, just click on the card above. It'll already be there. So I created this yesterday and you'll see exactly how I did this. Okay guys, well thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this, and if you did, please make sure you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload for more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? This way other people can get the benefit of the video too. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.